Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I am Nitin Parmar. Today we are discussing about one very important part in a country called Chile. There was a referendum took place recently. So every country has their own history. Every country has some challenges and they have to overcome to remain peaceful for a long period of time. A constitution of country plays a very crucial role in managing peace and law and order in that country. So here Chile is in a big problem. So what has happened? So Chile is this place. I'm sure you are aware about this Chile. is a बहुत पतला सा एक लंबा सा you can say एरिया है. या पैसिफिक ओशन से जितने भी क्लाउड्स आते हैं they do not give you can say rain to Chile. So that's where the challenge is. They are in the coastal region, but they do not get you can say a lot of rain. So they need to take water from air. Okay, that's a very unique thing Chile does. But anyway, so this Chile, then here there is Argentina, and यहाँ पे बाजू में Bolivia है. So these are known as ABC. Okay, this ABC group of countries, Argentina, Bolivia and Chile, उनके पास लिथियम का बहुत बड़ा भंडार है. इनफैक्ट वर्ल्ड का सबसे ज्यादा लिथियम का भंडार इज अवेलेबल विद चिले. आप समझ सकते हैं इस बात को कि फ्यूचर ऑफ चिले वुड बी वेरी गुड. व्हाई? बिकॉज लिथियम आयन बैटरीज जो आप अपने मोबाइल फोन में या आजकल जो इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल आने वाले हैं उनमें ये बहुत जरूरत पड़ने वाला है. सो आई एम श्योर यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. yes or no? So this is called ABC. remember that this is a region जहां पे बहुत ज्यादा लिथियम आयन का मतलब लिथियम एज अ you can say material available है. Anyway, coming back to our Chile. Chile was under the rule of Spain. They protested in some around 19th century की शुरुआत में, that is 1810 के आजू बाजू, and somehow they got independence. Now after their independence, the Chile did not directly start with democracy. Military group tried to take a lot of control. Dictators tried to take full control. So after 1810, you can say it was dictatorship. ठीक है. After dictatorship, in some around 1970s, ठीक है, they got you can say military ruling. ठीक है, क्योंकि अमेरिका and few other countries supported and they removed a dictator and they started with you can say a sort of military ruling. Now military said that we will be a government for a transition period. Okay, and then you can say the military moved and democracy started. But when the democracy started, the military rulers ensured their own version of constitution. In 1980s there was a plebiscite took place. Now you may ask, sir, what is plebiscite? Plebiscite is asking people whether you agree with a particular constitution or not. Okay, so in 1980s that took place. Now that constitution continued till today. Okay, we are in 2020. 1980 में constitution बना और वो अभी भी चल रहा था. So people were asked that whether you are ready to replace the constitution with a new document. So that is a big question being asked to them. That was a referendum. In a referendum, generally one question is asked whether you agree this or not. Okay, this is how the idea is in a referendum. So they were asked whether you want a new constitution, number one, and number two, in who will make this new constitution. Do you want the old people to make it? That means the people who are currently you can say in the parliament, they will be making, or do you want new constituent assembly? So the entire process will now take 2 years. It is clear that they are interested to change this constitution. So by August 2022, the entire process will be finalized. Okay, but this is very crucial. I hope it is very clear. So please tell me, okay, what is the capital of Chile? Okay, so my dear students, in 2019, you can say there were a lot of mass protests took place. In fact, there was a climate change related, you can say, summit was taking place in Chile, but due to mass protest, it has to be shifted to Madrid, Spain. Okay, so in 2019, a lot of protest took place. The conservative president, Mr. Sebastian Pinera, agreed to hold a referendum to rewrite the entire constitution. Now that particular, you can say, referendum was delayed many times because of COVID-19. Finally, it took place in October 25, 2020. Okay, this constitution was introduced. So as I mentioned, the constitution was introduced by Augusto Pinochet. Okay, he is Mr. Augusto Pinochet. He was a military dictator, and they introduced this constitution in 1980 through a fraudulent plebiscite. Okay, through a fraudulent plebiscite. So this is very interesting. Now it was not acceptable to large number of people. Why? Because it was not giving enough social and economic freedom to people. Why? Because the entire, you can say, economy was in the hands of few people, and the other people, large number of other people are not able to gain meaningful output out of this constitution. So all those liberal thought processes were not there in Chile, and no, you can say, free economy, though there was an idea of free economy, but still it was in the hands of very few people. Thereby 78% of Chileans, they voted in favor of replacing this charter with a new document. So thereby this entire issue came up. So was there any previous attempt to replace the constitution? Possible. It was there. In 1980, the constitution came, and then they transitioned to democracy in 1990. Chile has amended constitution to take away various anti-democratic features. They were successful in it, but somehow that was not happening. Remember, in Chile, the conditions of women, they are not very good. 78% of women 78% of women are facing some kind of, you can say, violence. Many of them are facing domestic violence. Many of them are facing sexual violence. There are, you can say, marital rape, which are acceptable there. So there are a lot of marital rapes taking place there. So women conditions are not good there. Okay, children are also not getting enough support. So that is where one big problem. Okay, though legally women are given rights in the properties of their father, that is ancestral properties, legally women are at par with men, but in reality they are not. While if we talk about the idea of conservative free market philosophies, okay, they said that we are having a kind of free market, but as I mentioned, only private sector are getting benefited and very few people are getting benefited. So economy is expanding, but at the cost of people, only few people are getting benefit. So there is a concentration of wealth is happening, and very few people are getting a lot of money. Okay, and thereby the protest started because there was a, you can say, rise in the metro prices. जो मेट्रो रेल है, उनके जो फेयर है, उनके प्राइसेस बढ़ गए. So large number of people were not okay with it, and thereby they protested. So thereby the situation took place. Yes or no? Small rise in metro fare. An entire protest started in 2019, due to which the climate change summit had to be shifted to Spain, Madrid. Okay, but they demanded few more things. They said we need to remove private pension fund. We want government should introduce pension fund for us. Number two, there must be increase in the education and healthcare benefit to the people. Government should provide all these benefits. And indigenous communities should be given rights. Okay, this is what they are talking about. So protesters also demanded overall of the constitution. Okay, and because it is really impossible for them to introduce new reforms, so thereby this plebiscite will definitely help Chile to grow further. So I'm sure you understand this Chile. ठीक है, Chile बाजू में अर्जेंटीना and ऊपर बोलिविया. This ABC has a huge deposits of lithium. Remember, lithium का प्रोडक्शन पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज्यादा करने वाला कंट्री है, that is Australia. Okay, while the deposits are more, highest deposits are there in Chile. Okay, चलिए great. So I'm sure this is comfortable for you. इस तरीके के capsules are increasing your knowledge about the world around you, and they are helping you to do your current affair in a right manner. Okay, great. Thank you very much for watching this, and all the best for your preparation.